welcome back. We're going to take a quick look at today's top 30. We'll be coming down from number 21, Toncoin, to Leo, Chainlink, Monero, Cosmos, Ethereum Classic, Stellar, Bitcoin Cash, and then we'll end with Quant at number 30. Let's get straight into it. Ton against BTC. Yeah, still untradeable. We're not too sure what Ton is doing, but it feels to me like we could be about to end wave 3, right? So this whole thing, I'm just gonna assume this is a 1, down 2, up 3, right? Maybe a 4, and then we go for a 5, maybe something like that. Not too sure. I can't really see it yet, but I feel like we are not really done for Toncoin yet, but there may be deep retraces. So yeah, but in terms of tradability, I don't see it on Toncoin. Anyway, for Toncoin against USDT, we have a target over here at $3, and we're in some sort of a consolidation over here, and we're expecting it to continue higher. Whether if we're going to be seeing a little dip first before going higher, we're not too sure. But the point is, our target is at $3.07. So yeah, we're still expecting more upside to come for Toncoin. We might get something over here though, some nice high quality consolidation for Ton, but at this point of time, I don't really see it yet, so stay safe. Leo against BTC. We are where we okay. Leo against BTC. There's some danger here. Danger in the sense that we're already closing the space between the skinny pink line. We crossed the skinny pink line, we came back down, then pew, and then we just peeled away until here. And then after that, you can see that we're closing the distance. We peeled away, right? You can see that we're peeling away. And after that, what's happening? Yeah, so we're going very close to the skinny pink line, so there is a possibility that we could be heading back under the skinny pink line. Not good for Leo BTC. Leo USD will be reflected as well as Leo USD continues dropping, right? How low are we going to drop? I'm not really sure, but there are so many clusters of stop sells over here. So it could be, I mean, the wheels could be pulling the price lower, maybe to sub $2, taking out everybody's stop sell before heading back higher. Right, do you see it? I think we might even drop to like 150. I can't say for sure, but we have already crossed the skinny pink line, right? Leo BTC is just about to exhibit some bearishness, but Leo USD is already bearish. So yeah, more downsides to be expected for Leo against USD and against BTC. Chainlink against BTC. So for Chainlink, yeah, we are kind of above the resistance line, and we're also kind of above the skinny pink line, but at the same time, you know, I keep seeing mountain ranges here and there. I don't know if this is good or not. I don't think this is good though. But because there are classes of stop sells all over here, so the price of Link could just dip a little bit, take out everybody's stop sell. Maybe after that, then will we be able to see some sort of a strong rally coming on for Link against BTC, but you could tell that the whales of Link have the tendency to want to break the resistance line, but they're having some difficulties. Link against USDT, you will be able to see it here, but this is not good. Yeah, so we were saying that more likely than not, Link could be heading much lower, right? We had 2 targets here since, again, September. These are all the targets that we got 3 months ago. 21st of September, today's 21st of December. So it's been 3 months, and yeah, Link it's not looking good. It's not looking good. 2 targets is another 43%. That is not good. That is really not good. So 40% for Chainlink will probably be like maybe 20% plus minus for Bitcoin. So yeah, it's just not really looking that perky for Chainlink, so stay safe. Monero against BTC. Monero is the one of the few rare birds, one of the rare breeds. We're already above the skinny pink line, so we're expecting more upside to come for Monero against BTC. We have a target over here, 0.0154. We had this target again, 21st of September. Exactly 3 freaking months ago, and we're still in an uptrend. We're above the skinny pink line. We're steady, boom, PP towards the target, moving very steadily. Of course, there could just be as well, you know, a sudden pew. But yeah, in terms of tradability, I don't see any clear signs of a proper tradable chart pattern. You may argue this is something like a not really that Nope, not for me. XMR against USDT. Yeah, so XMR is in a falling channel, falling wedge. We're under the skinny pink line, right? It's a bit messy, but if you look at the skinny pink line, you know, we tried breaking it, pew, 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 and then we crossed it. We tried breaking back up, and then we got slapped down, right? And we have been under the skinny pink line since, right? Will we see another attempt to break higher? Sure, of course, but yeah, it's not really looking that good. Not at this point of time. Again, you could argue that this could be a symmetrical triangle, right? We could be breaking the skinny pink line, and at the same time, we could be breaking the resistance as well. Absolutely possible. But I wouldn't consider this as a high quality tradable chart pattern. Because if Bitcoin were to collapse, then XMR will probably be dropping down as well. We might get a descending triangle and we might be heading back towards sub $100. Double digit XMR remains a possibility. So yeah, it's very tricky to go long on coins while Bitcoin is still in a bearish trend. Very tricky. So stay safe. Stay freaking safe. Atom against BTC. We've already crossed back under the skinny pink line, so I would still expect some more downsides to come for Atom against BTC. Atom has just been mucking around here and there. I would hope that we get something over here though. Maybe a symmetrical, right? And then we break higher. Atom BTC. This would be brilliant and awesome, but yeah, it's still in its infancy stages, the chart pattern. So yeah, even for Atom against USDT, no clear signs of a proper tradable chart pattern. So there's just nothing much that we can do about it, right? If anything, I can count 1, 2, 3 waves here. This could be an ABC. Or it could be 5 ways down as well. If it is 5 ways down, we could be completing a very big mountain, right? We could get a descending triangle over here. And yeah, we could be heading lower, right? Of course, it depends. It freaking depends. So we'll have to take things one step at a time. We're still under the skinny pink line, so the trend is still largely bearish. What's after that? ETC! Ethereum Classic against BTC. Yeah, we've already crossed the skinny pink line, right? We just slice through, pew, slice like a ninja, cut like a razor blade. We might be heading towards the skinny pink line. Maybe we might hit the skinny pink line, bounce off of it, come back down, maybe, you know, drop a little bit lower. But we are hoping that Ethereum Classic forms some sort of a right A, B, C, D, E, and then we head higher. Best case scenario, best bullish case scenario, but we could just as well, you know, drop a bit lower here, form mountain ranges, get a descending triangle, and head lower. Right? We'll know over time what kind of chart pattern we're gonna get, or we may not even get a chart pattern. You know, Ethereum Classic has not been kind to us in terms of chart pattern. So okay, accept this. Right, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, collapse. Right. Yeah, I'm hoping that this could be a wave 1, and then we get a proper wave 2. We go for 3, 4, maybe 5, something like that. This would be brilliant if we got it, but yeah, we'll have to take things one step at a time though. We're not too sure ourselves, so yeah, there you go. That's Ethereum Classic BTC. Ethereum Classic against USDT. We are, yeah, again, there's also the fear, right? Mountain 1, mountain 2, we might bounce from here, hit the skinny pink line again, come back down, right? Mountain number 3, get a mountain range over here, descending triangle, boom, we collapse. Even lower for Ethereum Classic. This would be brutal. So I don't know. I can't you know, I can't really see it. Not yet. Right, it's a very curved type of support, right? Still mountain ranges, right? Something like a descending as well, right? And then pump. Yes, we attempted to break the skinny pink line, but we continue lower, right? Again, we attempted to break the skinny pink line. And then, yeah, every time we see a rally, we get slapped down, further even lower, right? Rally, get slapped down. Yeah, we could be dropping even further. So, yeah, that's just the fate of Ethereum Classic. No clear signs of a proper tradable chart pattern. Stellar Lumens, XLM against BTC. So for Stellar Lumens, here we are. I think Stellar Lumens is in some sort of a falling channel. I just connected the dots just today, just now. And I feel like, hey, we could be in a falling channel. But the thing about falling channels is you don't know where the end is. Is this the bottom? We're gonna get a newer bottom, maybe a bounce back eye. bounce back up, and then again we ask the question, is this the bottom? Right, as long as the resistance line remains intact, yeah, we don't know, right? We could still head lower. So yeah, it's just not really looking that conducive for a trade. Yeah, we had a target over here, 7 cents, and we're heading towards the target. Ta-da! We are at 7.5 cents, so another 0.5 cents to go. I don't think we're gonna stop here though. I think we're probably gonna take out this low as well at around 5.8 cents. Yeah, we're at 7, probably 6 to 5. Yeah, and after that, there's kind of zero support over here before the next noisy area. So we might take a break at around 5 cents. So 7 cents to 6 cents, potentially 5 cents before seeing some sort of a reversal. We might even dip a little bit to 4 cents. But yeah, I feel like we are actually falling in a very controlled manner, which is good, right? Very slow fall, right? Very slow, very slow. Small rally, small dip, small rally. Okay, big dip. Small rally, consolidation, dip, and then we dip again, dip, boom. Best case scenario, absolute best case scenario. But yeah, as long as we are under the skinny peak line, we will remain bias bearish, right? It's like, for example, over here, right? While it was down the skinny pink line, we remain bias bearish, right? Until things broke back up. Ta-da! And then that's it. See, the moment we broke back up. Yes, we tried to break back under the skinny pink line, but the wheels are pushing it back up, right? We tried to pull it down, push back up. Pull it down, push back up. Woo! Right, so we might be getting something like this eventually, right? So we shall be relying on the skinny pink line as our guide on whether if the trend is still bearish or whether if you're already switching to bullish. Stellar Lumens, yes, that's it for Stellar Lumens. I don't see any clear trade chart patterns, and we're almost at target, so be very careful. Be very careful. Be careful about catching knives as well. Bitcoin Cash against BTC. So for Bitcoin Cash against BTC, yeah, no signs of life. We have been going down and down and down, and it's like, what's happening? What's happening? Any clear signs of a reversal? Nope. Could we be getting a rising channel? Yes. And rising channels usually break lower, right? Rising channels, we break lower, right? You can argue it's something like a rising channel as well. Breaking lower, rising channel. Right. All right. See it? Do you see it, boys and girls? Yeah. So we could be getting another break lower as well, right? Things are just not really looking that perky for Bitcoin Cash against BTC. We have been trending under the skinny pink line. We've made so many attempts to break the skinny pink line, but every time we go up, we get slapped down. Pah! Right, and yeah, the latest one just happened in November. Pah! And now we are back down. We might get a head and shoulders over here. We might drop even further for Bitcoin Cash against BTC. Things are just not looking good in Bitcoin Cash land. Bitcoin Cash against USDT. Yeah, I just don't see it yet. I suspect we may be taking out these lows right at $86. My fear is that once we take out the lows of $86, we may not get the squeeze anymore. Right? We were hoping that this could be an ABCDE, right? I think the moment we take out $86, we could be taking out what $72. That's the fear that I have. Once we take out $72, that's it. I don't think we're gonna get something else probably. I'm not saying we can't recover, but we're probably gonna get something else. So yeah, as long as we're under the skinny pink line, we remain biased bearish for Bitcoin Cash against USD. I hope that one day we could see some sort of a reversal, but yeah, we'll have to take things one step at a time. Quant BTC. Yeah, we're already above the skinny pink line. So the trend is really bullish for Quant against BTC. We're expecting some sort of a consolidation eventually, and then we head higher. Quant BTC, Quant USDT. Yeah, it's not looking good. This is a head and shoulders. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Not good, right? Clusters of stop sells here. So I think Quant might be heading all the way back down to like sub $80. Yep, that's where the 0.618 golden retracement ratio is, right? So I suspect we'll be heading towards the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement ratio, and then maybe a reversal, hopefully. But yeah, we'll take things one step at a time. This is not bullish, not in any case. This is a head and shoulders. Head and shoulders are bearish. So be very careful about rushing to a trade too soon for Quant. Alright, so I guess that's it for today's top 30 crypto TA. I hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Ta-da!